Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I've got a Lenovo V14 IIL notebook. It's a Core i3 1005G1 notebook. It's got Intel UHD graphics with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of SSD hard drive space. It's pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro and it's a free upgrade. Alright, so now I'm going to slide the laptop out carefully. It's packaged really well here. There's this rigiform foams that the laptop is encased with. And what's here? Let's see, so this is the power brick. Alright, so here we have safety and warranty guide. And this is the Lenovo V14 setup guide. Alright, so let's get into the most exciting part of this video is to have a look at the Lenovo V14 laptop. So I'm going to remove this foam encasing. And the final step is to remove the plastic bag that the laptop is enclosed in. And I'm going to slide the laptop out. And this is the first view of the laptop. It looks really cool. Just going to go ahead and lift the lid. And there is a little paper cloth here that is protecting the laptop screen, and this is Lenovo services. So thank you note from Lenovo for purchasing the laptop. You're going to love this, of course I will. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the packaging that is holding the power adapter. This is a wall type power adapter. It's from Lenovo. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the laptop. So here you have a cool looking Lenovo logo. And in the side you have an SD card slot, a headphone jack, and in the back you have a vent. And in the left hand side you have power input, HDMI, and there's 1, 2, and 3 USB. In the back you have a nice grill, and I can see copper heat pipes in the inside, and you got Windows 10 logo there. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the laptop for the second time. And here you have this small keyboard, and it's really nice to type on it. It's got a nice touchpad, and it's Core i3 logo. So this is a view of the laptop from top to bottom. You got a webcam at the top, it's a matte display, and the laptop looks really cool. And this is how my laptop fares with a 2020 MacBook M1 Pro. It's obviously a little bit bigger than a MacBook Pro, and this is the side view of it. Alright, so I'm going to unwrap the power cable. And next I'm going to connect the power cable to the laptop. And once I connect, there you can see the LED light turns on. And next I'm going to turn on the computer. Alright, so here we are presented with the Lenovo logo, and a spinner is spinning. Alright, so here is the Windows setup process that has begun. I'm not going to show you guys all the screens of the setup process. I'm going to jump straight into the desktop after I set the computer up. Alright, so here we are, the desktop screen, and I finished setting up the computer, and I'm going to show you guys some of the key settings of this computer. So this is what the initial Windows update looks like. It's got tons of updates to install, and now it's in the process of downloading them. It's running Windows 10, and I'm hopeful that this will get Windows 11 as well. Alright, so this is the properties, system properties screen, and as you know, this runs Windows 10 Pro. It's got a Core i3 1005G1 CPU running at 1.2 gigs. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, It's a 64-bit operating system, and it's got 256 gigs of hard drive space. Alright, so I'm going to do a 4K video test. I'm going to run the video at 4K, and I'm going to show you guys how the processor is being used and whether it's easy to watch a 4K video. I know running 4K on a 1080p display is not the most appropriate, but this is just for the sake of how much processor is being used by the laptop in order to process a 4K video. As you can see, the video plays really smoothly even at 1.5 times the speed. I'm gonna turn the speed up to 2 times the speed and see how it goes, and yeah, as you can see, it still plays really smoothly. It's not like it's struggling. It's really smooth. And this is how the processor is being utilized. And as you can see, the GPU is being used around 55 to 60%. The processor is being used around 80 to 100%. So it's really smooth, and it's more than enough to watch 4K videos. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks.